Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to discuss how to generate model class using JSON for Swift. This is my sample API URL response. Now copy this and paste over here. Okay. At below three options are there. Now select latest Swift for Codable and press on generate button. The files are downloading. Click on that. I have already created one project. Now these two files paste in our project. This should be checked. Copy items if needed. And this is a pre-generated code. Now copy this and paste over here. And this copy this API URL. Now change this. Make sure this code in do catch block. Put this and paste over here. Now create one global variable for store models. Its data type JSON for Swift base. Now this wall response store into models. Now this data append into table. So first of all, this code into background text. Now data source and delegates methods of W. Now reload this W. You can see this. I have already created the code of W delegates and data source methods. Now run it. It may take few seconds. Okay. Now run it. Now you can see this. This is the model's response. And this is API response. Thank you for watching this tutorial.